Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today I'll discuss about marriage matching. The process of marriage matching is done by the Ashtakuta system. Today I'll discuss about the Varna Ashtakuta. So what is horoscope matching or marriage matching? Analysis of similarity between the natures, mental dispositions and liking and disliking of bride and groom on the basis of planetary position and nakshatra matching by their horoscope is called matching of horoscope. While matching horoscope, we consider two things. One is birth sign, that means the signs where moon is posited, and another is birth nakshatra, means the nakshatra where the moon is posited. In the process of matching horoscopes, mainly 8 points are considered. These are Varna, Vaisya, Tara, Joni, Graha Maitri, Gana, Rashi and Nari. These points are called Kuta. As there are 8 points, so this process is called Ashtakuta. Every kuta has been assigned some certain marks. These marks are called guna. Guna for each kuta is given below. See the order of the kuta and the marks is increased by 1. Like first Varna Kuta, marks is given 1. Second is Vaisya Kuta, marks is given 2. Third is Tara Kuta, marks is given 3. And so on. 8th is Nari Kuta, marks is given 8. If we sum up all the marks or guna, the total will be 36. That is why this system is also called 36 gunas. So there are 4 varnas. These are 1 Brahmin, second is Kshatriya, third is Vaisya and fourth is Shudra. Based on the birth sign, the varna is decided. Decision table is given below. If you see closely the table, then you can see all the fiery sign has the Kshatriya varna. All the earthy sign has the Vaisya varna. All the airy sign has the Shudra varna. And all the watery signs represents the Brahmin varna. Based on the matching varna, mark is given 1 or 0. The guna table is given below. You can see. Maybe you are thinking that remembering this table is very difficult to remember, but actually it is not. Let's see. First, you need to read or remember the order of varna. Like first order is Brahmin, second order is Kshatriya, third order is Vaisya and fourth order is Shudra. And this whole table means marks given to each Varna or matching Varna is based on the one logic. That is, if groom's Varna order is greater than or equal to bride's Varna order, then guna will be 1 or else guna will be 0. Let's say groom's or Varna is Brahmin and bride's Varna is Vaisa. So there will be 1 guna because groom's Varna order is higher than bride's Varna order. Opposite also we can think, like bride's Varna is Brahmin and groom's Varna is Vaisa. See, the guna is 0 because groom's Varna order is less than the bride's Varna order. If both Varna order is equal, then guna is 1. Let's take an example. On the left hand side, we have the groom's chart and birth sign is Pisces. And on the right hand side, we have bride's chart and birth sign is Taurus. As Pisces is the watery sign, so groom's Varna will be Brahmin. And as the Taurus is the earthy sign, so bride's Varna will be Vaisa. As the groom's Varna order is higher than the bride's Varna order, so guna will be 1. Simple. So this is the end of the video. I will discuss all other kutas on the separate videos. Please stay with me. And please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.